y'all, we were looking back over the videos to see how I made the grape salad. Because you know how bad I am about changing up things and adding things to it. And we got so tickled because that was when it was called quarantine cooking. And Teresa had just started, you know, this phase of her.
A prep chef.
Yeah.
Prepping.
Which she had never done before. But she fell into it and just does it beautifully. But it took her a while to get comfortable, and it would drive her crazy because she'd bring me a recipe and I'd say, "Oh, that's not my recipe." And she said, "Well, it damn sure is." Because, see, I'd already come in and changed it. So the last one we had apples in it. I don't know what.
You changed everything. I didn't realize that until we watched the video, but I was like, oh my gosh, she did used to do it. Now I just know when you're going to potentially what could go wrong.
Yeah.
Or right from your perspective.
But see, that's what I like about cooking. And I want our friends out there to feel free to make these dishes their own.
And you've taught me not to freak out if I can't find an ingredient.
Right.
To look it up and find something that's an alternative.
Yes.
And that's a big deal because it's, you know, some people are so driven by the recipe.
They want that recipe. They want that recipe to be exact. And some people don't like to use a recipe. They like to fly by the seat of their pants. And that probably more me. But I do want to take this opportunity to show y'all something that Bobby showed me years ago. And I like, you know, you may find some grape salad recipes out there that have you slice them in two. But I think that releases too much juice. So I like to use my grapes whole. So I have got two lids that match. And you can see this is, I'm got the top just like it would fit on the container with it. I want to get this slap-a-dab full. And then I'm going to put this lid just like that on top of it. And if you've got cherry tomatoes or grapes, anything that you need to cut in half, this is the easiest way to do it. Look at that. Look at all those grape halves. Isn't that great? Same thing with cherry tomatoes. Oh, that one didn't get under the knife. But look at that. It's perfect. And like just takes a second. I did want to share that with y'all. Because it's not fun standing up there slicing one grape or one miniature tomato at the time. So I am going to make the grape salad by the recipe.
Kind of. I don't see that happening.
Uh-oh. Wrong bowl. So I'm actually halving this recipe because it does make a lot. So I've got my softened cream cheese. And I did put some mayonnaise in that. in that last one.
Do you need me to get the mayonnaise?
You know, I may. I don't know. Let's just try to do it by recipe. All right, so I want to make sure I get this nice and creamy. All right, I'm going to add sugar. Is that half that sugar or the whole sugar?
No, that's half.
Okay, so I just want to use half.
No, you can use all of it. I half the sugars and nuts.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, thank you. So you can see this is going to make a big bowl. So in go the nuts. And did this recipe call for maraschino cherries?
No, ma'am.
And I do like the color that maraschino cherries give it. But I'm following a recipe, y'all. So I got that cream cheese and sour cream. I got it really beat up good, nice and creamy. And now I'm going to add my cheese. And I've got sharp cheese. I just kind of cleaned out my cheese drawer. I mixed some Monterey Jack, I think, in there, and the sharp cheese. You will fall in love with this salad. I bought grapes a couple of weeks ago, y'all, and they're called cotton candy grapes. Those are the best grapes you will ever put in your mouth. And I would love to make grape salad with those, using that and seeing how that would taste. All right, so all we need is a pretty bowl to put this in. No mayonnaise in it. Yummy. So I might put it right back in this bowl. Just clean it up a little bit. All right, now this is what just takes this grape salad to me over the top. Is you sprinkle brown sugar on top of this. And that brown sugar will like come to life. It'll start like almost melting. So there you go. Grape salad by recipe. I did it. I did it.
You did good.
But add some pineapple tidbits and some cherry tomato.
And mayonnaise.
Well, no, I think it's fine without the mayonnaise. It's really good. I do like to let the brown sugar sit for a while on it. But maybe next time. It's delicious, y'all. Delicious. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.